What's going on, Bam Fam? I got a request to do a review of my Lucky Dave's Lucky 13 bars by Bones and Crows in my comments section. He's one of the subscribers, so shout out to him. Bam, bam. It is currently 35 degrees outside, so it's nice and chilly. It is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope your day was wonderful. Mine sure has been. My kids loved all of their presents, so that's always good. I'll tell you what, these Memphis Shades handguards were worth every single penny. They don't take the wind completely off your hand. You still get a little bit of it, but it significantly decreases the amount of wind that hits your hand. Like, my fingertips are chilly, but the rest of my hand is good to go. The Grinch! Alright, on to the review. These are the Lucky Dave's Lucky 13s. They have the 2.5 inches of pullback in the riser here, and then they also have another 2 inches of pullback at the wrist. So about 5 inches of pullback total. I have T-Rex arms, so I need that pullback. Not to mention my seat, it sits you backwards an inch from stock, so yeah. Not helping my short arm cause here. These are the 13-inch tall bars. I thought they were going to be too tall whenever I got them, but they actually fit me perfectly. My hands or my wrists are right at shoulder width, so pretty comfortable. I don't get the issue of my hands going numb or anything like that. I am 5'8.5". Yes, the half matters. Us short people understand. And I am mostly torso. I've got some short legs. I think I have like a 30-inch inseam. So for me, these bars are set up just right. They are a little bit more narrow than your standard bar. Your standard T-bars, I would say. I think they are 22.5 inches wide. I bought them last year, January timeframe. They were on sale. I think normally they are priced out at $335. I have nowhere to be today and I have nothing to do, so I'm literally driving around just trying to get lost. Also, I'm using new settings in my camera. Instead of filming in 4K, I'm filming in 2.7K. I'm trying to make the video quality better for you guys. I understand 4K is better than 2.7K, but I felt like with my 4K videos, like the sky, you couldn't see any coloration from the sky. It was just all too saturated, too bright up there. And, you know, I don't know. Me personally, I thought the video looked a little bit weird. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. I freaking love the lope of this cam. My God, sitting at a stoplight, I feel like I have so much more of a presence. Ooh, I'm gonna go in here. Boop, boop, boop. Maybe practice some U-turns? Ooh. People are probably passing by like, what the fuck is he doing? Back to the bars. They are really good bars. I like them personally. I have the Arlen Ness knurled grips. I've got cruise control. I have the Lucky Speed Shops shorty levers, and then I have the Memphis Shades handguards here. I roll my mirrors down underneath. Ooh, that was a big bump. I do like that they are more narrow, because makes it nicer for me, because my hands can be like more, you know, more in line with my shoulders, not like way out here. I feel like I have more control over the bike. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh. I know some people don't like that the bars are so close in. Hands are so close in because it makes it feel like, excuse me, makes it feel like you can't, you know, roll the bike around. But as you can see, I can clearly do whatever I want on this bike. It's really nice. Oh yeah, you're jealous. Actually, I should have gone that way. Go around and round and round and round and round and round and round and round. Oh yeah, dragon, 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 dragon. Points. I got the Lucky Dave's Lucky 13s, 13-inch bars. They have a total of 5 inches of pullback in them. They are 13 inches tall, which is perfect for my height. I'm 5'8.5", with a 30-inch inseam, so kind of short. Oh, speed limit's 30. Oops. All right, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. Let me know. I need to figure out some form of sign-off line. Like, you know, blockheads like ride safe, stay vigilant. You know, I don't wanna say the typical generic stuff. Obviously, ride safe. We all us motorcyclists want everybody to ride safe. Anyway, if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.